My hands are up on camera.
All right.
I'm in no threat.
You're gonna get your ass whooped in front of fucking Lord and all creation. Jesse, come back.
Here are unforgettable moments when cops end their careers.
You can't do that, sir. This officer is trying to unlock my car. This officer is unlocking my car. They just illegally entered my car, and I'm being forcefully removed.
Take a look at me. I'm a fucking specimen right here, buddy.
Sir, I'm
you
in
have gotten
no.
on my last
My
nerve.
hands are up on camera.
All right.
I'm in no threat.
You're
to
gonna
these
get your
officers.
ass whooped in front of fucking Lord and all creation. I'm gonna give you one more chance.
I'm being threatened.
You can bring that with you. I'll let you film the whole thing.
I'm being threatened right now.
I'm giving you a
and
chance.
I am not doing anything. I feel
I'm giving
unsafe.
you a chance.
I feel unsafe, and I'm in no threat to these 3 officers.
Derek Thompson, 29 of Woodbridge, was pulled over in Fairfax County for an expired inspection decal. The video, filmed by Thompson, shows him asserting that the request to exit his vehicle was unlawful under the 4th Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, a right which the officer enjoyingly violated.
My hands are up. I am doing nothing wrong to provoke anybody or anything. Making sure this is all recorded. I've just been threatened by a lawful officer. I have just been threatened by a law officer as 2 other officers stand by and say absolutely nothing. Willing to participate. My passenger door was open. My driver door was open. I have it on camera. He rolled my window down to do so.
I'm giving you to the count of 3.
Sir, this is all on camera. I am not resisting. I'm making sure it is being known. I am not resisting.
Okay.
My hands are up. One hand on this camera. My seatbelt is being arrested.
As long as your hands are up, that's fine.
I'm not resisting.
As long as your hands are
I was unlawfully.
come on
Sir,
out.
please do not touch me, sir.
Keep your phone out.
Sir, please do not touch me.
See, that's where we're coming to a disagreement.
It's not about
I'm giving you to the count of 3.
Sir,
do it.
I'm not touching
man.
this officer. It's on camera. My hand is by my head.
Car right
I'm
now.
being threatened.
Now you're
I'm
under
being
arrest.
threatened.
Now you're under arrest for
sir.
disobeying the law.
I was being officer. Disobeyed.
I'm giving you to the count
detained.
of 3.
This officer has threatened me, and I'm making it known I am no threat to this
2.
officer. I've been threatened.
Watch the show,
My
folks.
life is in danger.
Following the incident, Charles Hewitt, a Virginia state trooper, was fired for cause in February during the settlement of a federal lawsuit. Subsequently, Thompson received a $20,000 settlement from the state. When you think this encounter was crazy, here's a cop who attacked a man for no reason.
Jesse, come back.
On November 12th, in Okaloosa County, Florida, Deputy Jesse Hernandez responded to a call involving a man who allegedly stole his girlfriend's car and sent threatening messages. The girlfriend mentioned that the suspect owned firearms and a silencer, which added to the tension of the situation.
My car back. I've been asking all night, can I get my car back? Like, I don't care about the argument. I don't even know what the argument is about. I just want my car. He puts his hands on me, or he threatens to put his hands on me. It gets very violent. There he is.
Pat him down, please.
What's that?
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons on me. What's that like that? This is key. Don't got no weapons on me. Hands on your pockets. Okay. So, what's your side? I ain't got no side. I ain't got. Whatever she said is what it is. So whatever she want to do, let's do it. And see how far she want to take it.
Where's her car?
At her mom's house.
Let's see how far she want to take it.
What do you want to do?
I want my car.
Okay, I think it's at your mom's house is what he's saying.
How did he get here if it's at my mom's house?
When the boyfriend arrived on the scene, officers searched him and found no gun. They then arrested him after he admitted to taking his girlfriend's car because of an argument.
Where's her car? Where's her car, Marquise?
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her more? Her keys are here. Her keys are here. Can I give you her keys?
Hernandez detained the suspect in the back seat of his patrol vehicle, seemingly bringing the situation under control. As Hernandez walked back to his patrol cruiser, an Acorn struck the vehicle.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Mistaking the sound for a gunshot, Hernandez immediately panicked. He fell to the ground, fired multiple rounds, and called for backup.
I'm hit! What? I'm in the car! I was shot through the car! Oh! I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know.
Get back!
I might have hit my vest.
Oh, okay, no! Get back! Get back!
This response was a drastic overreaction to an innocuous sound, illustrating a severe lapse in judgment and situational awareness. Hernandez's actions caused further confusion. Sergeant Beth Roberts, hearing Hernandez's shouts and gunfire, also began shooting, believing they were under attack.
Okay, it's okay. What? Where? Right there? Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he? Where is he?
In the car! I was shot through the car!
43, give me traffic.
No! Please, no! No, please!
Off of McLaren, we're off of McLaren. Jesse, how are you? Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
Anybody to do anything, please! No!
I might have hit my vest.
Okay.
No!
Get back! I'm not going to tell you go! Get back!
Fortunately, the suspect miraculously remained unharmed. When backup finally arrived, they realized the cop unnecessarily panicked.
Jesse, move over to me. I got you. Move over to me. Jesse, come back. Mark vehicle right there.
Dude, am I hit?
Come on. Let's get further back.
In the patrol vehicle still?
Yeah.
In the patrol vehicle!
Do you see anything in my vest?
What are you feeling? Did you feel anything?
My legs went numb when it hit me.
All right.
I don't know. My legs went numb for a second. I heard a pop come from.
Go this way. Can you move?
Yeah.
An internal investigation by the Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office determined that Hernandez's use of force was not objectively reasonable. As a result, Hernandez resigned on December 4th, ending his career. This incident raised questions about the officer's training and readiness for high-stress situations. Talking about police training, here are dumb cops who terrorized innocent family. The body cam footage from the 2017 raid on the Mendez family's home is a harrowing testament to the traumatic impact of police errors.
Go.
When heavily armed officers stormed the second-floor apartment, believing they were targeting a drug dealer, they instead found Peter Mendez and his family.
Get on the ground! Your hands behind your back, buddy. Clear. You good? You got anything on you?
No, sir. I got a pocket knife. Yes, sir. Right here. We'll be right now, sir. I'm sorry.
The video captures the officers yelling as they pointed assault weapons at the terrified family. Peter's father was handcuffed, and the family was left in shock and confusion.
Relax, guys. I saw you walk my bag. I was wondering what's going on. I'm sorry. Relax. Let me speak. Everything's fine, man. Everything's fine.
And I thought it was for maybe the people up there, the people down here. And when you came like there with the flashlight, I called my husband. I didn't know what the hell was going on.
Second floor, right?
Yes.
Who lives up there?
I don't know their name. It's a African American couple that live upstairs, and I don't know if they have 2 or 3 kids, or I have no idea.
Despite the initial realization that they were in the wrong apartment, as heard in the officers' whispers caught on camera, the police did not immediately cease their search. Officers continued to search through the Mendez family's belongings, including Peter's school backpack, further escalating the situation.
No. There's nothing else, you know. But these boxes are...
So how do we find out, like, how did this ever happen? Me and my husband have
That's
never
why
been in
you're going to
trouble
get a
with the
copy of the
police.
search warrant.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Is that because somebody
But I got-
called?
No.
The only reason why I'm asking is because
Why don't you just take a seat and just relax?
we've been having trouble.
The only reason I put you in handcuffs is just to detain you. You're not under arrest, okay? Just so you know.
Right.
We've been having problems with the people downstairs, so I don't understand, like, our door getting kicked in and all this kind of stuff. We've never been in trouble with the law.
Well,
Yeah. I worked there 10 years, and as soon as I haven't had what you have on, I haven't had the other room.
I mean, I don't understand.
I can tell you you're not the person we're looking for.
Okay. But guys, just keep it like that.
Also, maybe somebody that was living here before?
No.
I don't know.
No. He's just on. No. He's just on call. He's just answering the call. That's all.
But you kick down doors of people that you're not sure if
happens.
they're
It happens.
living here and scaring my kids?
Well, a judge signed off on this, okay? Said that we can do this. So yes, unfortunately,
And it has our name on it?
It does happen. It has this address on it.
Yeah, that's what it is, baby.
It goes by the address.
Oh.
Okay? There's not much more I'm going to be able to tell you.
Yeah, no, I
Okay.
understand, but you gotta understand us.
I understand where you're coming from.
I was gonna come down. I've never experienced this before in my life. And
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
Yeah.
I showed up. That's when you start screaming. I was like, what happened? So yeah.
I didn't even know. I was just in the bedroom playing with
They don't even
Yeah, well,
and I just heard a door bust down.
it's okay. I mean, we're not here for you guys. We're here because of this address.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever. But
So, I'm sorry about that, but it's
We're not here. We're not here for that.
Oh, on top of the refrigerator. Excuse me, I'm sorry. But I was just telling you.
Subsequently, Peter's mother is seen in the footage frantically grabbing the search warrant and trying to explain they live upstairs, but the officers kept searching the house.
Curtis Roberts, they live upstairs. They live upstairs.
Why don't you just...
All right, baby.
Baby powder.
You're welcome.
He gave us the wrong fucking part. He gave us the wrong part. He gave us the wrong apartment. He said up the stairs and it's the first door right there. He gave us the wrong apartment. This one, because you know the pictures I get you.
That's the couple upstairs. He's on house arrest and all this other kind of bullshit.
Because you got the paper. You know, we got wrong information.
No, that's okay. No, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this.
You keep it. Like I told you, that's what it was for.
No, Curtis Roberts lives
Okay, the
upstairs.
information we got said he lived on the second floor. Okay. Okay, that's all right. Relax.
Yes, I can tell you he lives
The footage reveals the profound fear experienced by Peter and his brother Jack. Peter later described the moment during the investigation 5 years later.
What was it like when that gun was pointed at you?
It was like my life just flashed before my eyes.
Officer Joseph Capello, responsible for obtaining the warrant, admitted during a deposition that he had failed to independently verify the informant's tip, a critical error that led to the wrongful raid. The release of the body cam footage played a crucial role in the family's pursuit of justice. The Civilian Office of Police Accountability's investigation, which took 5 years to conclude, ultimately recommended penalties for the officers and supervisors involved. For not wearing his body camera and not verifying his informant's tip, Copier suggests a 30-day suspension. The raid's supervising sergeant Russell Egan was fired. COPA determined that Egan failed to properly oversee Capello and ensure they were raiding the correct home, and also failed to ensure the necessary reports were completed, closing the case as it is. But this next story is shocking. In Tuscaloosa, Michaela Washington's encounter with a reformed police officer became a viral sensation after Officer Dana Elmore tased and arrested him under questionable circumstances. Washington was simply changing a flat tire with his brother when Elmore demanded his ID, leading to a physical altercation when he refused, citing his rights.
Right there on the front of the car. Stay.
I ain't doing I got gun right there. I'm not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying, we just saying, oh, yeah, fuck. I'm not, oh, my God. Okay, down, oh, my fuck. Oh, my God.
Washington's ordeal continued with a $500,000 bond for charges including drug and weapon possession, though almost all the charges were later dropped after the video surfaced online.
She came off as soft at first until I started asking her questions of why you need the ideas, because we ain't doing nothing to change the tire or whatever. And she was like, you just give me ideas, you go stand over there by my car. And I said, I won't, because I'm not under arrest. I would let her know that I know my rights.
Washington's attorney is preparing a $20 million lawsuit, as the officer involved is now on administrative leave and under investigation. This case underscores how a single day's actions by law enforcement can have profound and far-reaching consequences. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.